po jako akawuwo.
We celebrate 100 years of legislation on 23rd March 2021.
Olunaku lw'eggulo Palamenti y'eggwanga lyattu Uganda leyawezezza emyaka 10 bweddu okuva bwe yatandika mu mwaka gwa 1921.
Kitegeeza nti Uganda yasadda kulayirika era yakulayira
bw'obanga tomanyi gye wava obanga tosobola kumanya gy'ogenda. N'olwekyo eno emyaka 10 gye tumaze Palamenti nga Palamenti ya Uganda tuyigamu ki ekyo kyekikulu.
Oluvannyuma lw'okujaguza n'okuyozayozebwa olunaku lw'eggulo olwaleero ekibiina ky'ebyobufuzi ekya UPC nakyo kyozayozezza Palamenti okuweza emyaka 10.
As UPC, we are proud of our enormous contributions towards the development of the nation and building a strong and vibrant parliament in terms of quality debates, integrity, eloquence of members. Our prayer is to vitalize.
UPC egamba mu myaka 10 Palamenti esobodde okweyubula n'okutuuka ku mutindo gukulaakulanya n'okuteeseza bannansi.
Many members of Parliament have turned that legislative council into a business-making venture or a job opportunity. However, the members of Parliament in the 1960s were servants rather than masters. And we recommend the 11th Parliament to be more of servants of the people that have entrusted them with this position.
Wano we basabidde Palamenti ey'e11 okuteesa ebiruma abantu ba wansi wamu n'okwongeza ku mutindo mu ngeri gye bateesaamu.
As UPC, we recommend the 11th Parliament to 1. Address national issues in terms of the needs of the common man. 2. Improvement in the quality of debates presented. Let us not just win elections and then sit for 5 years and expect to be re-elected. Let us make our presence felt. You debate, go out there and research, come to Parliament and debate on matters that are going to affect the next generation.
UPC esabye gavumenti okukola amangu ku nsonga y'ebinnya ebifuuse ennyanga za walumbe mu kibuga.
In our 11th December address, we urge government to take action by restoring the water catchment centers, water catchment areas with immediate effect. Some areas were worked on. However, with the heavy downpours, the recently made areas are already showing signs of collapse at risks of showing.
Zemati Sekanjako, Kura ABS Television.
I've even seen the cars that the MPs used to have. You know, they used to have cars, official cars, which is not the case now. But that's a story for another day. Please enjoy the exhibition. Thank you for coming.